server, my car don't be touching it. Hit on the gas, you know that I'm loving it. Panoramic roof, know that bitch super lit. Slashing through traffic, you know that I'm getting lit. Smoking gas and the shit got me super lit. Fucking in that bitch, you know that she hella thick. Coming in that bitch, you know that we too lit. Bring your friend, I'm tryna have two, bitch. I'm the man, bitch, I been stacking that cat, tryna get hella rich with me and my team. Hop in that cat, do my thing, I'm mirroring my jeans. YouTube! We back. Yeah, crazy. Hello. Clean it out. Right after I get it back, make a video, all that. And I got my evidence for the E4. I got to take a picture, screenshot with the code will read. Like, comment, subscribe, man. For not further, I'm gonna jump into the video. I'm finna take y'all on their journey with me. I actually finna go to comment, see what they talking about. I'm gonna get that on video, and I actually been thinking I might walk around and go hit that lot, man. See and look at something, man. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of the car, tired of spending my money. So, hey, man, AJ, get into the video, man. You did. Play a role. Well, y'all can see I'm at CarMax right now. I ain't gonna count my boy John be taking care of me. John be giving me 2K, man. This crazy, bro. They talking about break it back. When boy say break it back tomorrow, man, he gonna get everything right for me. This shit blowing me. I swear to God. So I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. We'll drop that bitch back on. Alright, gang. So actually, I had to update y'all. CarMax called me and told me to come back and drop my call. So I came back, dropped it off. I was laying down, so I looked hella like that. I was blow. They gave me a run on. Got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Finna put it till they get my car right. They supposed to be getting all the way right, but we might be getting something else. I don't know, y'all just gotta stay tuned for that, bro. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. This vlog gonna be over weeks and days, cause this the update. Like, I need to update y'all on my car video, and it's just for my purposes only with them in this case and all that. So y'all keep getting updated as I get updated, cause I need to document it. And then soon the video gonna come out. The shit I'm trying to definitely, before y'all even get this video, I got some little videos I want to do. We back rolling. I'm back in motion now. Shit. I'm back rolling. You hear me? Hello. I'm back rolling, so I can get this video now. Come on, boy. Don't tweak on me. Come on now. So yeah, definitely that. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned. Y'all, look. Shit, this truck. This the one they going. God damn. Okay, so it's been rubbing on this. It's been rubbing on this. Remember, I got the car that was already messed up, so whatever that lady ran though, she done tore that up, and they didn't expect that. Cause she done tore that up, and then it messed this up, rubbing on that top. Look at that motherfucker, man. It's all right, y'all gonna get it back today. What's up, y'all? Been about 2 weeks. We're still alone the vehicle. But as I'm driving, this just come on. I need to film this with documentation and saying I gotta check that out when I stop. But that did just come on. I need to make sure I film that. It says the tie. This one right here, so we're gonna go check it once I stop. All right. So I recorded last time when the tie went out, and I took it back to CarMax. They told me to keep airing it and keep driving it. Unfortunately, it done left me in the middle of nowhere, and I gotta put the spare on there. I'll take it back to them in the morning, but I need to record for proof and documentation. Oh man, look at it, man. Damn. Over here ain't nothing. Bit liable to pop anytime. Hell. Damn, bro. Nothing. Speeding through traffic, kept me riding on the donut. Yeah. Speeding through traffic, kept me riding on the donut. Yeah. Fuck CarMax, y'all get y'all shit back. I want my fucking whip. I'm tired of driving this piece of shit ass whatever. Hello. Oh shit. Yeah, we back, man. My journey with CarMax is finally coming to an end. Where after tomorrow morning, when I come back on the camera and y'all see me leaving CarMax again, then y'all know this journey is finally over, man. They finally done gave me my car back, but I don't want it. So if you see me in something else, you'll know why. Ha ha. I ain't gonna count. getting it back, I just got some crazy thoughts. Like, getting my car back just gave me some crazy thoughts on what I want to do to it, bro. But at the same time, I don't even know if I want to do it. I just want to get rid of it. But some part of me telling me, turn this bitch up. Turn this bitch up. What you think, Shawty? What you think? Turn this bitch up.
Do what you do.
Nah, bro, real talk, bro. Don't do what you do. Hey, bro, just chill, bro. Yeah. I'm saying, like, what's up?
What you do, bro?
Hey, bro, stop you saying all that. I put that shit on the camera before I beat your. Hey.
Actually, I better than thought of that shit.
She showed it. But nah, for real though, bro, this is exclusive, bro. This my game. For real though, what you think though? Turn this up. I'll go crazy. Cause at the same time, I want to keep it and go get
What the fuck I got?
the mystery whip. So I don't know, bro. It's a lot of thinking, but I definitely come back to y'all in the
We gonna talk to
morning.
y'all about 10 minutes.
Hey, I'm put y'all down right now. I just got my car back, y'all. I said I was gonna come back in the morning, but I lied. I had to buy some time today. These motherfuckers ball with it. Man, look at this. He already took the other one out. Man. I had to go and buy some time finna get back right. I said I already got some crazy plans, but anyway, finna get right. Get some time.
Why you already recording?
I don't know why he think he despicable me, but everybody wanna be on camera? Wanna be on camera? Huh?
Hey, bro, let's go get shit too.
Huh?
Welcome.
What?
Get that police ass nigga got jail.
You got a warrant?
Man, hell no.
Yes,
Why?
the hell you do.
You said what?
What's
Sir, do not walk away from Forge County Sheriff. What are you doing, sir? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my big ass. Oh, stomach just rocked them. Camera off. Yes, Lord. The final test tube. Hey, when I get these tires, you ready to burn that?
Let's do it.
What?
Do it.
Niggas ain't paying for nothing. They always want to tear it up. That's my other junkie. These little junkie ass nigga.
I got 2 podcasts work for free. Hey, Paul. I got 2 podcasts work for free. All you gonna do is sit down.
Who?
I
They
got 2
don't be on
of
that
them.
loud telling them, bro.
I got
They
2
on that
big
loud telling
junkies.
them and
2
shit.
big junkies.
The little
I
Jay.
got a bunch
That's why I said, ah.
Which one do you want? You the boss?
Yeah, he my worker.
You the boss?
I work here.
Y'all hiring?
Not you.
Why he can't get hot? Why they can't get hot?
They fault though. He said not
Me no danger.
Why you say not you?
Hey, why they can't work here? Know what? Know what? Exactly. No dungeon.
Oh, we got to volunteer.
Yeah.
I do not work for free.
Ain't no free work, buddy. No,
I
sir.
need me coin. Me buy your coin.
I
Teach you job.
Yeah.
hey, he can take your brakes off your truck right now. You won't even know it.
Is that he's that
Yeah.
type of junkie?
Yeah.
Jay. Strong man. Look, he's a big strong one.
Yeah. You gonna play for $10? Come on, man. $10. Plug that back right here.
That's too small for me. I can't take it. You reach.
It went too small. It's a blue face. Pull up right quick.
He said pull up an inch.
Pull up.
An inch.
See, my workers. my
Let
workers.
him be right.
Come on, man. Pull up in.
Come on. All
All right, man.
Run over the damn jet.
Tripping. Done it.
pop that motherfucker. And you're gonna fix the car. Ruda Tatuda.
He tripping, man. He gotta get up out of here, ain't he?
Yeah.
He gotta go.
You gonna fire him?
You gonna fire him?
Yeah,
Oh, he said I gotta fire you. You gotta go. You can't work for me no more, buddy. Ah. Hey y'all, I just changed them 2 tires, then I gotta even get the plug this motherfucker. My car been at the shop all this time. I need to tell them they need to do this.
Move. out of his way.
I want to say, let my man work, man, African work his move.
Jump.
Powered out here, man.
Crackhead.
All my workers. All my workers.
Fucked up, man. Stop playing.
All my workers, dog. Yes, Lord. Ain't nobody on payroll. I wish you would.
Jay,
Just walk off.
TJ, one rock. Look at this nigga ass. Got me talk.
Fuck wrong with you, boy? What's up, y'all? So, hey, look, my journey with CarMax is finally over, right? Some crazy shit happened yesterday, though. Boom. You know, first they get my car back. Boom. Matter of fact, fuck that. They're gonna be a story time for a whole nother video. Stay tuned for that. But I'll show y'all the car. Y'all think they deserve to see the car?
Soon.
It's on the car.
Soon.
I'm finna show y'all. Bro, it's raining, bro. Look. Nigga did a hit and run on me, bro. Nigga did a hit and run on me. Damn, that's that. Story of my life. Loss after loss. Call it the story though. I'm finna look for some more. Let's stay tuned. I ain't gonna catch this video over too. This bit finna end right here. Just like, comment, and subscribe. We got the car back though.